Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Mohanathanari. The channel fully focused on the biostatistics related video post on the channel. If you like the channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Let's go to the video section. Now we are the discuss topic one-way ANOVA post hoc comparison test for LSD, a least significant difference in SPSS. So what is the least significant difference test is a post hoc analyzed used in conjugations with a one-way analysis of variation ANOVA to determine which specific group mean are significantly different from each other. One-way ANOVA itself is a statistical test that comparison mean of three or more independent groups to see if there is a significant difference among them. The LSD test is straightforward and does not adjust for multiple comparisons, which makes it easy to interpret but also increase the risk of type 1 error. False positive. It is often used in experimental studies in biological science where comparing the means of different treatment or conditions is necessary. So the LSD test used in application for the biological science. The LSD test is widely used in biological science to compare treatment effects, study environmental impacts and assess the biological response. Below are some of the specific applications in biological science for LSD. Comparison treatment effect on growth. Assessing the effect of different fertilizer on plant growth, one-way ANOVA with LSD can be used to compare the mean group, the rate of plant under the different fertilizer treatments, identifying which fertilizers significantly improve the plant growth. So the next one analysis for the drug efficiency. The evaluating the efficiency of multiple drug in reducing the blood pressure. The use LSD test to compare the mean reductions in blood pressure among different drug groups to identify which drugs are significantly more effective. The next one for the environmental impact studies. Investigation the effect of different water quality conditions on fish health. Applying LSD test to compare fish health metrics across different water quality conditions to pinpoint which conditions significantly affect the fish health. Gene expression studies. Comparison gene express level across the different experimental conditions. LSD can be used to identify which conditions cause significant changes in gene expressions, adding in understanding the biological pathway involved. The last one for the comparing the biological samples. The comparing the nutrient content of plant growth in different soils. One-way ANOVA with LSD help to comparing the mean nutrients level in plant across different the soil type identified the significance difference. So the next one for the video sections in one-way ANOVA post hoc comparisons for LSD in analyst for the SPSS software. So the data already entered in the Excel sheet. We take for the four different groups. So the group for the first one for the control and next one for the supplement A, second one for the supplement B, third one for the supplement C. So the four different group and this is for the independent variable. So the next one the dependent variable for the plant height. So the different the fertilizer applied for the plant and noted for the measurement in the plant height. So the data import to the SPSS software. So this is for the SPSS software. So go to the variable view, select to the first column, the column label for the grouping. Okay, then go to the value options. So value options, click to the button, open the new tab for the value label. So select for the value level for the 1. So the value for the grouping is a 1, the control is a 1, supplement A is a 2, and supplement B is a 3, and supplement C is a 4. So the value for the enter the value for the 1, and click to the change to the label options. So enter the label for the control, then click to the add button. So the next one value for the 2, this is a supplement A. Okay, third one for the value 3 and supplement B. Then fourth one value supplement C. Okay, added. Then click to the OK button. So the next one row selected the options for the plant height. Okay, the plant height enter the value name for the short pH. Okay, now change to the measure options in the SPSS software. So the grouping column measure change to for the nominal, and the plant height change to the scale options. So the how to use for the measure options in the biological science and biostatistics, the full article write to and publish on the our blogger site. The blogger site link mentioned to the video descriptions, and the comment box pinned to the comment box. If you read this article, visit to our blogger.com. Okay, next go to the data view. Okay, now the copy paste to the independent and dependent value. So this is as copy the group column, paste, and the plant height value copy. Okay, now analyzed for the one-way ANOVA post comparison with LSD. So go to the analyze menu, compare mean, and select to the one-way ANOVA. So this is for group, and this is for the plant height. So the dependent list and the factor list change to the values. So the group is a factor, is a independent variable. So the select to the options for the factor, and select for the plant height, move to the independent list, sorry, dependent list. Then click to the post hoc analyze menu, and open for the multiple comparison in the post hoc. Select to the LSD, least significant difference, and the significance level for the I selected to the 0.05. If you want the significance level 0.01 or 0.001, customized options available for the SPSS. So I selected for the standard significance value 0.05. Okay, then click to the continue button, and next click to the options option. So select for the statistics in the descriptive and mean plot, then click to the continue and click to the OK button. So the now analyzed in the SPSS software the one-way ANOVA post hoc comparison for the LSD. So the first one table for the descriptive statistics in one-way ANOVA. So the first one for the N is numbers, the total replications sample take the 5, total of the value 20. So the control 5 supplement A, B, C also the 5, and this is for the mean value for the plant height. The control the plant height mean value 55.84, and the supplement C is for the mean value 71.68, and the next one for the standard deviation value and the standard error value, and 95% of confidence interval, the mean value, the lower band value and upper band value. This is for the minimum and the maximum values present in the descriptive table. So the next one for the one important table for the ANOVA. So the sum of square value then between the group and within the group, and the degrees of freedom value for the 3 in the between group, and within the group 16. So this is mean square value and the ANOVA table value, F value, and the significance value 0.001. This is a statistically significant for the our data. So the next one for the post hoc test comparison for the LSD. So the dependent variable for the planned height. So the compare for the I group and J group, the I group for the control and J group for the supplement A and B. So the means difference I and J value and the standard error value and significance, and 95% confidence interval lower band value and upper band value. So the supplement A and supplement C and supplement C and supplement B, A only for the two groups comparison for the statistically non-significant. The significant level value for the 0.267 and 267 for the supplement A and supplement C, and supplement C and the supplement A. So this is for the LSD comparison, the post hoc comparison LSD test in one way ANOVA. So the next one for the mean plot. This is a mean plot. The x-axis mentioned to the for the treatment for control supplement A, B and C. The y value for the planned height, the mean value. So the very lowest the planned height in the control and the highest the planned in the supplement B. So this is for the analyzed method in the one way ANOVA comparison, post hoc comparison, the LSD test in SPSS. And next one for how to this data analyzed converted to the table format in journal publications method. The make to another one video. The video link mentioned to the this video description box. If you any doubt on this video, leave me the comments in the comment box, and support to me, join to our channel membership and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.